looking ahead. So, considering the ongoing changes and challenges in the H-1B visa process, what future trends or further changes do you anticipate for the H-1B program beyond 2025, Attorney?
Sure. So the H-1B program will always be there because H-1B program is such an important part of US IT industry. It is highly essential and it contributes a lot to US economy. So the employees, the H-1B employees will always be in demand. The core skills they bring to the country, they're always going to be in high demand. And the pay scales are going to be very high. The H-1B employees, the pay scales are very, very high. It's not cheap labor at all. And everybody knows that because the LCAs and the average salary, if you look at the average salaries that I normally work with are around $100,000. So these are very highly specialized, highly qualified employees. So the program will be there in into the future. But the future trends, you can definitely expect more site visits because USCIS is about to change the way they do their site visits. USCIS, the visa processing. The visa processing, always there are challenges because they're scrutinizing the applications. They're scrutinizing the social media accounts. So everybody, the main thing everybody should understand is always comply with the law. Be in 100% compliance with the law. Do not ever take shortcuts. The reason is either on the social media, either sometimes what happens is when you come into the country at the port of entry, they take your phones, they take your laptops, they look through the records, even the chats that you deleted. They have ways to get back to it. I hear of people getting deported all the time. I have at least 2 cases in the last 1 month where I heard people, their phones got taken away from them. And when they looked through their phone chats, it was very clear that these guys were doing something wrong. They were doing some illegal part-time jobs during their student status, for example. Or they were having some fake resumes and doing some fake interview calls with some companies. It was there in their WhatsApp on their phone. So the government officials, they have various ways to detect fraud. And what that means to all of you is don't even get into that situation where you're not compliant with the law because they can easily access your phones at the port of entry. So all these things. So be cautious, be compliant with the law. Understand that as technology evolves, there are more and more easy ways for the officials to find out and detect fraud. So be cautious, always be compliant, and just understand that as long as you comply with the law, you have very great future in US because in US, the IT skills are always in very, very great demand.
How can applicants and employers stay informed and adapt to these evolving requirements and procedures, Attorney? What can they do?
Sure. So I think the easiest way for most of the folks is on the USCIS website. There is a way where you can request their newsletters and their updates. If you just put in your phone number, you keep getting updates. So I think that is one easy way where you can get updates. On our side, what we do is we stay in touch with the ILA, the American Immigration Lawyers Association. We get a lot of updates, daily updates from them. We talk to our colleagues. But again, everybody, I think if you are following USCIS and look at their news releases, that is like one easy way. And I think because most of the folks here are like IT folks, very, very tech savvy, highly experts with computers. So most of the time, I think you guys have access to social media, all these good forums and stuff. So I think be on the lookout and keep following USCIS news alerts. That is the easiest way to keep in touch with the law. And the law is very clear. You cannot be ignorant of the law. You cannot say, I didn't know that was the law. You have to know the law because otherwise you'll get penalized. So this question is a very important question. People should keep themselves updated with all immigration laws because tomorrow they cannot argue that they did not know about the law. So this concept in US that says ignorance of law is not an option. So everybody, it's your responsibility to keep yourself updated with the law.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H-1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry, exceptional employee benefits, highly rated by our employees, global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.